Welcome back to another video. This will be a comparison. So I have over here a piggy bank design. This was created within Fusion, within Freeform. And you're gonna see over here that within the timeline, I only have those two images, so the front view, the side view. Over here we have a freeform. I can go ahead and I can edit that. We're gonna see over here we have the feet and also the ears and the front part of this piggy bank. And after that, I have over here another plane and another freeform. In this case, if I will edit that, we're gonna see that this will actually be the tail. Now, the main difference between Fusion and SolidWorks is the fact that within Fusion, we can also work with freeform, with T-splines. So within SolidWorks, in order to create something like this, we need a lot of sketches. For example, over here, we have over here this loft that will define the ear of the piggy bank. I have over here a sketch for the bottom section. I have one over here which will be a point, and we're gonna see various 3D curves that will actually be those guidelines for the ear. But we see how the profile of the ear will be a little bit harder to control, while within Fusion Freeform this will be a lot more easier. So I can just go ahead and I can edit this. I can just select the section that I want. I have also mirror applied over here directly, and I can just rotate and change the profile of the ear. And we're gonna see over here that this will also keep that overall offset and thickness of the shape. And as soon as I'm gonna click on finish form, we're gonna have that created. So over here, I also have the canvas. I can hide those and we can better see the model. And we see over here that those will clip the main body, but we can go ahead and we can split that afterwards, just like we can within SolidWorks. Now, within Solid, this will be a little more complicated. So in this case, the best solution would be to have that same profile over here and the one on the bottom, and we can use a loft with some guided elements, guide 3D sketches in order to better control that. If I will also go within a sketch over here, we're gonna see that this also has the middle hollow. So I'm just gonna hide those so we can better see this. I will enable this and we're gonna see how that profile will look. Over here I use a revolve cut to do that because I didn't want to use shell because I wanted those ears to be filled. But again, this is the main difference. SolidWorks is really good for surface design, but in my opinion, if you want to work with freeform, Fusion will be a little bit better. Even though the surface over here will not be, let's say, there are fewer features over here available than we have within SolidWorks. So in my opinion, SolidWorks surface is a little bit better, but both will be quite, let's say, they will lack features compared to other software solutions such as Alias from Autodesk or CATIA from Dassault Systèmes. So both of those softwares are created by the same companies, so Autodesk and Dassault Systèmes, just like we have over here with Fusion and Solid. But those will be the top-end CAD solutions, especially intended, let's say, for surface design. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're gonna find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.